Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change the door lock on this Hyundai Elantra. So if your Elantra look like this, it's going to be the same procedure of changing the door lock, the door handle I should say right here. And the reason why I'm changing it, this one broke, as you can see. It still have some piece right here, so that's what we gotta change. We gotta open the door. You can open the door by pulling this thing right here, or you can just open it from the inside. So once you open it from the inside, you want to get down right here and pull this just like that, and you will have that 10mm screw in there. And so we got our 10mm right here. This thing you don't need. You can use a regular 10mm with a ratchet handle. You just unscrew it. So you can see when you screw it, this is gonna come off like that. So you want to take this off right here and right there. So you can close the door at this point, doesn't matter. These right here are just some rubbers. If yours don't have them, make sure you get them, put them in just like that. But your car is supposed to have them if your lock just broke. Same thing for the other side. So go ahead, get your door handle, put it in just like that. Once you put it in, make sure it's flush on the side of the car just like that, and then you want to just slide it forward. Once you slide it forward, you can open the door just like that. Now we need to get another piece, which is going to be this.
Oh, they wondering what's on your hand.
Install this right here. Just like that. And now we gotta do this right here. I just gotta tighten like this. And that's it, guys. One more thing. I gotta put back this black piece right here. So that black piece is back together. And that's how you fix your door handle.